introduction and how do we introduce ourselves?
Ma'am, first we have to tell our name, then
Okay.
our hobby,
Okay.
or, and our place.
Place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Remember the intro we did, you said to
Wait.
spotlight 3 points.
Wait, let him speak, no?
Or
Okay, Yatharth Yadav.
And like name, class, school, hobbies.
Yatharth Varma, can you quickly
Yes,
prepare
ma'am.
an introduction and introduce yourself? How will you introduce yourself if you have to do?
Ma'am, basically, ma'am, can I tell ma'am, after the name, we basically tell our place of residence, a city and a place of residence.
You say your place of residence.
Place of residence.
Right.
Okay.
What
Giving
else?
you 2 minutes. Introduce yourselves. Introduce yourselves in the best possible way you can. Can we start? We'll start with Yatharth Verma.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes.
I am Yatharth Verma. I study in class 8, and my hobby is cricket. To play cricket, and in this method.
So if anybody asks anything about you, you will tell only this much. What are you interested in? What else do you like to do? Where else do you like to visit? All these places can also come, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yatharth Yadav.
Ma'am, just preparing.
Okay. Beta, but preparation I gave you 2 minutes, but introduction needs no preparation. Start, Yatharth. Yatharth Yadav, start.
Yes, ma'am, I'm just seeing points. So, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Yatharth from Lucknow. Currently, I'm studying in class 8 from St. Anandram Japuria School, Alambagh, Lucknow. Ma'am, my hobbies are playing music instruments, traveling, etc. I like to play table tennis, cricket, and lawn tennis. My long-term goal is I want to be one of the officers of the Indian Navy.
Okay, very good. Kriti ma'am, now we are only left with Yatharth Yadav.
Yes, I can see Yatharth Verma also left.
Exactly. So Yatharth Yadav, chalo we'll brush whatever we have done. What were the pillars that we were talking about?
Ma'am, I mean, you know, I know,
Okay.
well,
Okay. So when you just introduced yourself, did you write it somewhere?
No, ma'am.
You didn't write it anywhere. How could you not use fillers? How didn't you use fillers? I mean,
I used a filler.
which filler?
I used a.
Okay. Still, you just used
He
one
used
filler.
he used after 2 sentences. He start using
Ma'am,
fillers
because
after 2
I was
sentences.
speaking to his speed,
You were?
speaking too fast.
Speaking too fast. There are certain times when you speak too fast, fillers are used. You did not use any filler now because you were quite conscious. You knew that you did not have to use any sort of fillers. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You were trying not to use those fillers. Okay. Okay. Then after that, you attended the debating session.
Yes.
Yes? What was the debate about?
Ma'am, I don't remember several topics, but I remember. Ma'am, first we did picture composition.
Right. We did picture composition.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do the homework that was given?
Yes, ma'am. Next, ma'am, when the first class when you were not there, Preeti ma'am discussed about perspective of it.
Okay, Kriti ma'am, were the stories okay?
They were just fine. Only 2 of them were speaking. Like only Yatharth and Arohi were the
Ma'am, I
main
gave the point you were hoping for, that tortoise one.
They were able to pinpoint the details and their own perceptions. They were able to portray them in a bit okay manner. They were not framing a story around the picture, but yes, they were able to describe it in a good way.
Yatharth Verma, where is your story? The picture composition? Yatharth Verma.
Ma'am, should I tell the first debate topic?
Yeah.
Ma'am, is feeling of over competitiveness good or bad?
Okay.
We
Yatharth
discussed
Verma.
2-3 topics which were interrelated.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking, where is your story? The picture composition, where is it? Beta, you just don't have to say yes, ma'am, and then again mute yourself. Okay, picture composition we discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Debating.
Ma'am, first topic was is over feeling of over competitiveness, good or bad. And then we
So
did
what-
is place exploration important.
What did you speak for? I mean, the for or against the motion?
Ma'am, I did for.
Okay. So what were the points learned from the debate? What did you learn?
Ma'am, I said that it helps us in future if there are more
Were you all using
competition
fillers in the
eventually
debate?
grows. Remember?
Were you all using
sir.
fillers in?
Ma'am, some were counting, some weren't, but we were using because we did not write any points. So.
What did you do
They were
yesterday?
Obviously using fillers.
Ma'am, we did is space exploration important, and then then there weren't any points. They were not counterbacking. So we did is inclusive education good or bad for general? Is inclusive schools good or bad for general education?
Okay. Okay, Yatharth. I want you to tell me that exactly at this time, what were you doing yesterday? Look at the time.
Ma'am,
Exactly.
I was in the class.
You were in the class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Me too.
Okay. Can you both change this sentence, I was in the class, in all three forms of tenses? You all know that there are three tenses. Main three tenses are past, present, and future. You said that I was in the class.
Ma'am, this was I'm sure I did.
Wait, let him also try. So Yatharth Verma, what you have to do, Yatharth Verma and Yatharth Yadav, what you have to do is that you have to change this sentence, I was in the class, in all three forms of tenses, past, present, and future. Quickly.
Then
Yatharth Verma,
I am in the class.
I am in the
Present
class. Which tense is this?
The present tense.
Okay. Then future.
I will in the class.
I will
In the class.
be in the class. I will be in the class.
Okay. Be in the class.
Okay, Yatharth Verma, what were you doing at 5 o'clock yesterday in the evening?
Ma'am, I was playing outside.
Okay, Yatharth Yadav, now can you change this in three forms of tenses?
I was playing outside. Ma'am, like it could not be changed into present because it is not 5 o'clock.
Still, if it has to be changed, what will you do?
I was playing outside. I am playing outside. I will play outside.
Right. Okay, so these are the basic three types of tenses. Past, present, and future. Right. Now, Yatharth Yadav, pick up any sentence, okay, and tell Yatharth Verma to change it in three forms of tenses.
Okay.
Any sentence of your choice. And Yatharth Verma, you also think of a sentence with which Yatharth Yadav will be changing into all the three forms of tenses. Yatharth Verma, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yatharth, sentence beta, Yatharth Yadav. You give him a sentence, he will change it in all the three forms. Quickly, beta.
I hope that a study of very long sentences will arm you with strategies.
Please repeat again.
I hope that a study of very long sentences will arm you with strategies for future.
Give him some time to write.
I am.
Yatharth Yadav,
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat the sentence, beta.
you can write the sentence in the chat also. You chose a pretty lengthy sentence.
Choose something that you can answer better.
Mama, I have sent.
Okay.
Something is missing in your sentence. I hope that a study
Oh, yes, ma'am.
ours will arm you with the strategies for the future.
Smriti Gautam is joining now.
Ma'am, actually, I saw the message right.
हाँ?
मैम मैंने अभी मैसेज देखा था.
Beta, this is English communication class, no? Is this Hindi
Sorry,
class?
Sorry, ma'am.
You will never be able to improve your English if you keep on talking in Hindi only. At least you can try.
Yes.
Okay. Yatharth Verma, the sentence has been sent to you.
Ma'am,
Kindly.
this is the correct sentence.
This is the
Correct sentence. Correct sentence.
I hope that a study of long time will arm you with strategies for the future. Okay, change it in all the forms.
Ma'am, I'm telling in past. I hope that
I-
that of long time was armed you
Beta,
with
Yatharth Verma, you also write and send because sometimes E and D forms, you know, these are very difficult to understand while speaking. Right? Smriti, there's a message that has been sent as a sentence. Can you see it? Go to the messages. So there is a sentence. Now change this sentence into all the three forms of tenses: past, present, and future quickly. And send me the message here
Yes, ma'am.
quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Yatharth will also give up.
Ma'am, I have sent.
So Yatharth, tell me, is it correct? No.
No, ma'am.
No. No. Smriti?
Yes, ma'am.
And Yatharth, you have not sent in all the forms. Which form is the
Ma'am, I'm
sentence
sending.
already in?
Ma'am, it is written, I hope that is study of long time.
Okay,
will arm
Yatharth
you.
Yadav, I'm not asking you, Yatharth Verma, which form of the sentence is it? I mean, which form of the sentence is the sentence already in?
No, ma'am, I was just asking that I have a doubt. It is written, I hope that a studied of long time will arm you with strategies for the future past.
Past is Ma'am, I have written that this is past. Past tense.
Okay, I got it.
Even if it is in past tense, beta, then can you see that you used I hope instead of I hoped? Past may hope had to be changed into past, so hoped, no? ED.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Smriti is also trying. Let her also try. And Yatharth Verma, you have just changed it into past. Change it into future also and send it to me.
Ma'am, but Yatharth has sent this is only in future only.
So, ma'am, the sentence which ma'am gave was in the past tense. That
So you can change it into present.
Okay.
I don't know in which form is the sentence. You have to tell me and you have to change in the rest two forms yourself. Quickly, children, quickly. Are you all doing it? 3 of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it.
Now, do I have to also do the changing?
Yes, why not?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so should I send?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, I have sent.
Let me see, Yatharth. Smriti, which tense have you sent the sentence in? Which tense is this?
Ma'am, in present tense.
Present tense. Yatharth Yadav, is it correct? Smriti Didi has sent something, is it correct? If not, kindly tell why and where to correct it. You are correcting because this is your sentence.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't get what kind of tense is it. Like,
So she said this is present tense that she has sent.
ma'am, as you said, hope is to be changed. So hope is already in the present tense.
He said that he has sent me past tense, so I said that hope will be changed.
Yes, ma'am. Then also in the present, I said, I hope that a study of long time will arm you with strategies for the future. Ma'am, then it already is in the present tense.
So you are saying that the sentence that you have sent is already in the
Present tense.
present tense. So which other tenses have to be used?
Past and future.
Future. So tell me, Smriti Didi and Yatharth Verma have sent 2 sentences. Okay. Children, see, Yatharth is posting the I hoped that a study of long time. Now tell me, Yatharth, if you are changing this sentence into past, right? There is something else which you have not changed. Don't you think will also be changed? I hope that a study of long time.
Has armed you with strategies.
Beta, will be changed when you're changing it to past. What will be changed into?
Will going to arm you.
Past.
Ma'am, I didn't get it. I thought
If you change the word will into past tense, what the word will become?
Now see, hope you have already changed, right? In past. But
Ma'am.
the sentence is still yes.
Ma'am, will be changed in was.
No.
I hope that the
I hoped that a study of long time would have armed you with strategies for the future. Would have armed you for with the strategies for the future. What will be the future tense? A past.
I will hope.
What will?
I will hope that a study of long time will going to arm you with strategies for the future.
No.
Is going to harm you.
No. Kriti ma'am, future tense of the sentence, can you try? Come on. The Kriti ma'am, are you trying?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay. Are you trying the future tense of the sentence?
I'm thinking about it.
Ma'am, will it be? I will hope that a study of long time will be arming you with strategies for the future.
Yes. I will hope that the study of long time will be arming you with the strategies for the future.
I thought about using shall. I shall hope that a study of long time will arm you with the strategies for the future.
Anybody else who wants to give any other sentence that we can quickly try?
Ma'am, you said each and everyone will give.
Sorry?
Ma'am, you said each and everyone will give. Matlab,
So Yatharth Verma, have you thought of a sentence? Yatharth Verma, Smriti Gautam, quickly think of a sentence, give it to the others. They will frame sentences using the different forms of tenses. Change the sentence.
I write the letter.
Message. Quickly, children, let's make it interesting. You people are making.
ma'am, please check is the sentence correct. I write the letter now.
To be spontaneous, children. If you don't speak, then how?
Ma'am, is the sentence correct?
No,
Ma'am, it is wrong.
child, you are giving a wrong sentence. Okay, fine. He has given a wrong sentence. You all try to
Correct it and
the
then
sentence
change. Huh.
And then change.
Ma'am, the correct sentence will be I am writing the letter now. If we change it,
Yatharth, I'm not asking only you to do it. The others are also doing. There's no point speaking all these things, beta. Let
so
the
should I
others also
message
try.
it?
You first try and then message.
Jyoti ma'am. Hello, Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've sent a circular to you on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
It came to. So you just send it to class 10 students of St. Angelo's.
Yes, ma'am.
They have to give a choice. That circular says that they have to choose between writing the exam in July or opting for marks in internal assessment. So then they don't have to appear for the exam if they choose for internal assessment, whatever they have got. Okay.
I was
So
not
I've been
there.
working on that. So St. Angelo's has sent a form for that, in which they have to give their consent. Okay. And all these kids, I'll send you the marks also of these kids' internal assessment.
Okay,
They have to go to school and fill that form tomorrow.
They have to.
Fill a consent form saying what option they want.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but first you discuss with them and tell me what option they want.
Okay, ma'am.
And also to the Kanpur kids, but their form has not come till now.
Yes,
Their
ma'am.
form might come by evening.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
So, So you just read that circle, you understood. There are two choices. One, appear in exam. Two, don't appear in exam and your internal marks of pre-boards will be considered.
Okay, ma'am.
Further impact.
But internal marks, then.
No, they've got good marks, St. Angelo's people. I saw, na.
Acha.
I'll send you the marks.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
send you the marks, and after seeing the marks, even I thought, anyway, I'll talk to you later. Oh,
Yes.
You carry on with that because 10
Yes.
minutes are only left.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay, so
No,
you
I have
people are-
given the corrected sentence.
Okay, he has given the correct sentence. Have you changed the sentence in all the forms, Yatharth?
No, ma'am. Smriti Didi first change I'm writing.
So you change yours, no? Smriti Didi, let Smriti Didi do her part, you do your part.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay. So Yatharth has sent the correct sentence, that is, I am writing the letter now. Smriti, beta, now, if you are speaking about now,
Yes, ma'am.
which form of tense is that? Now. Which form of tense is it now? When we are talking about now, now means what time are we talking about, beta? We are in the
Ma'am.
class right now. So which
Yes,
tense
ma'am.
is this?
Ma'am, present tense.
Which form of tense is this, beta? Smriti?
Yes, ma'am.
If we are talking about now, which form of tense is it, Betu?
Ma'am, we are.
Vijay, you
Which-
just gave the answer right now. Just repeat the answer.
I didn't
Did
listen
you
to what.
answer? Huh. She said it very in a very faint voice.
Smriti, you can tell us, beta. It may be wrong. What else will it be? It will be wrong. और तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना, बेटा?
Ma'am, present tense.
Present tense. Yes, it is present tense. Okay, and you have changed the sentence into past. I wrote the letter now. So child, wrote, write or writing is changed into wrote. But now tells you present tense. So how will you change into past tense? What word will it be for now?
Yesterday. Tomorrow.
Yesterday.
I wrote the letter.
Now will be changed into
No. Ma'am, now it's changing past tense.
What
now
what
will be
the
changed into
word?
past. Exactly. I'm asking the
How
word.
will you change the word now into past tense?
Yes. Who will tell
You
me?
changed will into would, shall into should. How will you change now? into past tense. Anybody else?
Then
Yes, then. Now write it in the sentence. Now use it in a sentence. When you're changing into past tense, instead of now, use then. And then write the sentence.
Exactly. So we use then. Okay, so Smriti, the sentence you have written is I wrote the letter now. It will be I wrote the letter then.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I have written the letter now. Beta, Yatharth, what has happened to you? You have also framed a wrong sentence. I have written the letter now.
Ma'am, I gave the correct sentence.
Where? Exactly. I wrote the letter then. I shall write the letter now. Again, see, now word has confused you. I have explained you the concept of now. Change in future also. What will now become? Think and reframe the sentence and send it to me.
Ma'am, then it will be Ma'am, is it correct?
I will write the letter then. I will write the letter then. It can only be I will write the letter. Okay, Smriti, 1 minute. Okay, I will writing the letter tomorrow. Child, see, tomorrow is for future, but tomorrow specifies the time also. Okay, so here no specific time has been given. So tomorrow will not be used, and I will write the letter. Writing. If you are using writing here, writing is I will be writing. You can use, or I will write. He has already left. Okay, for the rest, I will write or I will be writing. Okay, I will writing is a wrong sentence. Okay.
Yes.
So children, today I will be sending you a worksheet on tenses. Okay. I will be sending you a worksheet on tenses which you will be solving, and you will send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. You can pass that you can pass that worksheet to your friends also if they want to solve, and if they want to know their errors, you can tell them to solve and send. If they want to join the classes, they can join the classes. Okay?
Yes.
We'll further discuss on this tomorrow. Any doubt that you want to clear?
No, ma'am.
Anything that you want to know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so see you tomorrow, all of you. Have a very good day, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye, Kriti ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye all. Bye-bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.